Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on the oil pan on a Chev Trax 1.4 liter all-wheel drive 2013-14 I believe. This is the oil pan. I have it stood up on end. If you look there, that's where the oil gets sucked out of from the oil pan for the oil pump, and there's a screen in there, a little small plastic like a V-type screen. It's orange I believe. I had another video on it, on what was going on with an oil pressure problem on this Jeep or this all-wheel drive, whatever you want to call it. But I'm cleaning it out and blowing it out with air, and decided to blow it out from right there, and just wanted to show you the amount of junk that was in there plugging it up because I was having an oil pressure problem. So I believe, and then there was work done on this on a water pump. So whenever you're doing up top work or whatever you want to call it, top of the engine work, or doing a water pump or whatever, make sure to check anything. Anytime you have failure on your timing chain, anything like that, and plastic or steel gets busted out, you're going to want to remove your oil pan and clean this out anytime you do up top work, engine work and stuff like that, because I believe even if you're working and you drop junk down there, dirt, whatever, it's going to get in there and it's going to plug that up. There's no way of like just oil change, putting a oil flush or whatever, it's going to dump it out of there. Because if you look at it, there's all different types of traps for dirt and stuff like that that'll get trapped in there, even if you're dumping out oil. Like, you'd have to blow it out somehow, but either way you want to get this clean. Kind of a crappy design, I guess, where they're sucking everything, not like a regular oil pump where it'll pick it up and be off the ground and it won't pick up any junk that's in the oil. This one does. For some reason they should have had a screen down here or something just to stop it from going in. I believe that would have plugged up anyway, I don't know. But yeah, if you look there, that's quite a bit of junk that came out of there. I already took some off the screen. The screen was plugged right up. But that's on a Chev Trax all-wheel drive 1.4 liter 2013-14 oil pressure problem. Oil light coming on. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.